test broadcast to YouTube just to see how this works.
Okay. Oh,
it's not going to go public until I can turn around and I can do
okay.
Because the video and everything else is like totally screwed up, and the audio is screwed up because it's got this trial thing showing up on here. So I just want a quick test to see how it works and see if it shows up.
Okay.
Okay, this is a test video. Check to see how the see how this thing works. Just to see if I can get this thing actually to there. I know there's a trial thing showing up, a list showing up on the audio, because I'm using a trial program here, and I don't know if this thing is actually going to work or not. Okay, so I think that should be good enough. All right, so talk some, dude.
Okay.
And remember, don't talk about any stuff that you don't want to turn around and have broadcast just yet.
I'm not too bothered. I mean, it's all going to be... It probably won't be up on bloody YouTube anyway if this goes on, but... Where do we start? Okay. Right, what I'll do is I'll go through what I've recently got in for review for Dig Vaping. First up, Joystick Cubis.
Okay.
So it's for Cubis starter kit. It comes with the updated firmware version of the EVIC VTC Mini with the new tank. Then we have Vapes' take on the tugboat mechanical mod. The only difference being on this particular mod is the 3-post deck has been removed and replaced with a velocity deck, making it easier to coil and wick, so you have more chance of a dual coil design rather than sticking to the really tricky, pokey, small hole 3-post design. That's that. Next up, we have. You sat down for this, Joe?
Go ahead.
Joytech Cuboid. Dual battery, 150 watt box mod.
Yeah, I know what the Cuboid is. Yeah, I know. But I've got something that I'm going to turn around. I'm going to blow your butt away with in a few minutes.
And what would... Oh, all right, okay. We aren't done yet. Next up, Twisted Messes RDA.
Okay.
In black and brass. Then we have the Teapot RDA. Basically looks like a crack pipe.
Yeah, I know what the teapot is.
I've not tried that yet, so I'm quite looking forward to that one, to be quite honest with you. Just let me make some space while I get the rest of it. Okay, next up is Smock TF V4 Mini.
Alright, hold on. Let me see something here. Go ahead, I'm listening. I'm just doing my thing here.
No problem. Smock TF V4 Mini in black and red. Exactly the same as the TF V4. Comes with 4 sets of coils. You have your normal, I think this is a 0.4. You have a 0.3 ohm coil. You have one tri-post 0.4 ohm coil. And you have the rebuildable coil included. It isn't wicked yet, but will be when it's ready for review. We have that. Up next we have, which I shall probably never ever use, the Aspire CF Max. Now,
The what?
Basically, the CF Max is a variable wattage battery mod. Remember the old stick batteries?
Right.
This goes up to 50 watts and is basically an over-enlarged version of that particular battery. Fires at above 0.3 ohms.
Trial.
Variable wattage at the bottom. So basically, essentially, a massive fucking battery.
Oh, that one. Yeah. Okay. I know which one you're talking about.
Trial.
There is that. There's some different TFV4 coils, and my latest favourite object is the Cherry Bomber mech mod. If I can get it out of its packaging. There we go.
Trial.
In all its glory. This is a dual battery box mod.
Yes, the Cherry Bomber. You're talking about that. Yeah.
Yeah, I managed to get my hands on one. And that's it.
Trial.
Apart from the Horizon Tech, which I've already done a review for on YouTube anyway, and the Fishbone RDA, which I've already done a review of again on YouTube, that is up for review. Basically, the Fishbone is just complete and utter shit. I mean, I don't usually recommend people to go out and buy RDAs, but please avoid that one like the plague. Unless you want your mod, fingers and everything else covered in e-liquid. And that is it.
Okay.
From me. That should keep me going for a good while, I'll say. You better do. So yeah.
Trial.
There's enough there to keep me out of trouble.
Trial.
But
I'm
okay. Hang on a minute. I'm gonna do the test outro, and then I'm going to drop the stream
Trial.
so we can turn around and do things, and then I'll. All right.
Sorry, I'm having a bit of a jig.
Yeah.
It's Good Friday. I'm having a jig. Yeah, man, I like it. Tugboat's quite nice. It's very nice. I'm surprised he's actually gone ahead and radically redesigned it. Which basically is not the tugboat, it's a one-on-one clone. Well, you can't really say it's one-on-one because the text different.